Toyota is known for quality vehicles from the factory. As you may have seen on our site, Toyotas like the Tacoma and Tundra are known for having many options from the factory and having a vast aftermarket. What if you need more doors and interior space over a conventional truck and still want the Toyota reliability and customization? Enter the 4Runner. The first thing that everyone will see is that aggressive front end, but do you want your Toyota 4Runner grille to be the same as everyone else's, or do you want something unique and custom? I have searched through the Facebook groups, forums, and talked to our customers to find out what some of the best aftermarket grills are for your 5th generation 4Runner. Let's take a look at some options that should fit your style and budget. The TRD Pro Grill. The TRD Pro is one of the highest trim Toyota 4Runners you can get. With it comes all the performance and style options you could desire. However, if you got your 4Runner used or just don't want to pay the extra price for the TRD Pro trim, you can settle with just some of the parts you want, like the TRD Pro Grill. You can transform the front of your basic 4Runner to that of the fancy TRD Pro. Certain companies allow you to order the Toyota across the front in silver or black, and you could add your choice of several different styles of Raptor lights across the front. TRex Laser Torch Grill. If you want a grill for your 2014 to 2019 4Runner that is a bit more flash over the factory one, yet aggressive and demanding as well, TRex might have the grill for you. This 3-piece kit cut from steel comes with a 20-inch double-row LED light bar that blasts 7,215 lumens. The steel construction, while heavier, is durable and strong. There is a 3-year warranty on the finish and a lifetime warranty on the structure to ensure you feel confident in the grill. The honeycomb pattern combined with the chrome studs against the black finish really allows this design to pop. All of the wiring and needed components are included, but there is some drilling to get this grill to fit where the stock one was. These are made in the USA, and they have a design that comes without a light bar should you choose. TRex Billet Grill. If you want to go for an aftermarket grill yet stay more budget friendly, TRex also offers its polished billet grill. Don't let the lower price tag fool you. It's a serious grill, serious style, and serious construction. These lightweight aluminum grills not only give you a unique yet timeless look, but they are backed by the same 3-year warranty on the finish and lifetime warranty on the structure. Of course, they are also made in the USA. You can get this grill in either black or polished, and they easily install over your factory grill. All of the mounting hardware is included, all at the low price of under $200. Bulletproof fabricating mesh grill and bumper cap. This one is your least expensive option, but it does require you to get a bit crafty. If you're tired of the boring stock upper grill and T badge in the front, this kit from Bulletproof Fabricating will take care of that. This kit replaces the upper grill with a mesh one and allows you to fill in the hole of the center bar after you take the stock front emblem out. You do have to have some skills with body filler and basic paint knowledge for the best results, but the end product is surely something unique. While I do not recommend this product for someone looking for plug and play or just something easy, if you like projects and have some basic bodywork skills, this kit will set your front end apart from any other 4Runner out there. They do have some helpful instructions, and you can find plenty of videos online about how to apply body filler and paint tips. Cali raised Raptor LED light kit. Okay, this isn't exactly a grill, but it is an inexpensive way to modify your stock grill. For about $65, you could add 3 amber or smoked amber LED lights to the top of your existing factory grill with this Cali raised Raptor LED light kit. Installation is simple, and the unique look is backed up with functional lighting. What could be better? Everything you need is included or can be added to hook up these to your 4Runner in a matter of minutes. While you may not have as many choices as the same model year Tacomas and Tundras, there are still quite a few grills to choose from for your 5th generation Toyota 4Runner. From easy LED lights that pop in to complete bodywork and customization, there is a grill for your 4Runner that matches your style and budget. I hope this guide was able to get you in the right direction. Now go out there and make your 4Runner yours. Like what you see on this YouTube channel? Make sure you subscribe, and don't forget to check out EmpireOffroad.com for parts for your Toyota 4Runner.